Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's I came up with a very interesting steps where I want to explain you that where to use your filter context or the context transition and where you want to hold back your context transition. Right? Let's go for a scenario here. So here I have a table where I have a month name and the net sales. The first measure which you calculate is that for the each month I want to get the last sales date. Okay, or the max sales date for that. So it will be a very easy one. So let's take the max sales date, right? Or it will be like maximum of my sales order date, right? That's it. And if I drag here, this makes up sales here. So this is the one. Now I want to calculate the net sales for the maximum date. Maximum sales date is 29/11, right? That I want to get it in a separate measure for the net sales. So it should be somewhere around 377. Okay. So let's calculate that part. Here I say net sales max date. Right. I will say calculate. Then my net sales. Then I will take the date of date equals to, I'll say the max of sales date. Right. This will throw an error. Why? Because I can't put a expression or a major value inside the calculate filter expression. So how to tackle this? We need to use inside your filter function. So filter, I will take all my date, okay, and I will take the value, right? That's it. Now it will work. But here one trick is there. Let's see what's the value we are getting. First of all, we'll see net sales by max date here. We are getting 1.676 million, which is nothing but my grand total. Why it is happening like this? That you need to understand completely. Okay, so let me just try to understand here. Okay, this is the very important topic. Let me explain why it is coming up like this. So here we are referring, this is a column equals to the measure, right? So you know that measure is always penetrates through the filter context. Okay, so here in this case, for the first row, it got filter. Okay, filter means it is the filter, and what is the maximum sales is 28/1/02 2013. So when it is comparing to the date equals to, when it is equals to, it will consider that. Next, it will consider the next, it will go to the next filter, it will consider that. So all the amounts it is getting filter based on the max sales. So it is the first filter, this is the second filter, third filter. So we are considering all the net sales finally. And finally, we are getting a sum of that one. Try to understand. Okay. So it is going here, the maximum sales rate. This is a filter. It's not a row. Okay. It's a filter. The filter is first values I have is 28/1/02 2013. What is the net sales for that? January net sales. Next row. It is another filter context, January plus February. So finally, when it reaches that is November, it is summing up everything. Right? In this scenario, I want to avoid this filter context at all. I don't want the filter context. I want the row by row here, right? That sense, what I need to do here in this case, I'll remove everything here because I don't want to refer to the measure. Measure is making a problem. So what I'll do, date equals to, instead of putting the filter context, I will say max of my sales order date, right? It will go row by row, and whichever is satisfied, it will take it that one. Now enter. See, we are getting 377.01, which is the exact figure. Got it? So this is the one we are holding it. Okay. If you put the measure, it is doing a filter context where it is a max we are doing. It will take overall max. completely overall max. It is not filter. It is taking the max of order date. So it is going to the order date column, and based on that it is giving a max out of that, and it is comparing with the date and giving you the value. That's it, instead of doing the filter context. Okay, hope you like this video. Do subscribe to this channel for more interesting content like this, and I'm planning to put some different concept on the Power Apps, the Power Automate, and even on the Power BI services also. Slowly it will start the playlist. Okay, finally, thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.